Deithor police station ka parlo lokho athoi mate lokho jana long adivasi akhayatum puthot longle nangkacherai thu Aduya hoi kelang charia bang ke thir thip lapen kangtang kring abang phuka vedet pena jok karbiang long along le arni wang amatsi kaprek adi malong nangkipet nangkacherai binta arjulong Golaghat district aduya hoi along ke do lokho janara raphan karbiang long autonomous council pen sopating avi ki videra jok borsapuri ti state along kachong dadadun adivasi akhetum aningkan ke ther ke habla pen longle kacherai bi bor I abirta arjulong dera khesata karbiang long autonomous council pen thang ki thir thwa kengkam ke dengpon heklong la pinpur dammi kedam tang suri hinira inkoy nikan hiria chik loma lopen corona vura joini pir thya danganta lockdown ke dokoga porakun warsai ke mechu nc inu sar im kropo along le long pma va he nankin laben pejo pen pinier ni anta bang solong le long ram nang ke pan ing ton de isi ke mang humi me alama bangke bang solong le lam Sinonijan Revenue Circle of Hanta abatai pachini lapen bokajan SDM code along ta lamthi kapachini tang bonta pinier ni anta karbiang long ana thupen ingtang kring asai kedeng kavedera jok kapreka khayatum longri nang cherai bontang Bangso long lelam kia puthak klar dak pen kachini ja phan kedam tang aninkan pre ni phai thom kebarni Deithora long peace and development rally ka padwa hu ni tuma pherang ke pen CM Dr Tuliram rong hang phan lam hekar judum pen nang ke thandu na teki karbiang long revenue department pen siding long lapen pini seta revenue department atu wang pen Bangso long lelam prab jin pen chunpu busi nang pachini dum Halapu Dr. Numol Mumin, Deputy Speaker Seta, Bangso along Lealong, Nilitum Banket Home Minister, Atul Bora, CM, Dr. Tuliram Bong Hangan Parta Nilimit Hangamat, Adimak Long along Dangsi, Bangso along Lealam, permanently Pachun Bobasi, Ninje de Kang.
Sir, Karbiang Long and Golaghat bordering at Lokhojan is still unresolved.
Ladak, Golaghat, like any to claim Momlo, Lapenda Revenue Department of Hanil to Toilo. Lasila tum prabjin pen pinita megang mon revenue department tum lasi prabjin pen aso bangke chunto
regarding his question we have already talked with Atul Bora minister and together CM Atul Bora and myself will visit that area and we will solve that problem permanently.
Okay, sir.
No problem.
Aguntuk nirbason tu
Bonta rongara ratumpen birta kelonga tengke nilitumalong madua ke thigidinga tumta wangvi La sopena jog nilituma kisung non puanta cetong nang bom nilituma phan nang rabek tu busi MLA Dr. Numol Mumin KAAC CM Dr. Tuliram Bong Hang lapen MAC Richard Tong betuma phan kachuning padupo Dola mara penergy son rong har karbiang long